Today's how to build is on a sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. Bum 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 na 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 dun 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 na what's in green? That's gonna be my intro. Spin around so I can do it. Casey. Okay. Casey, stop it! Trying to make a video. Ah! Casey! Okay, first you're gonna need one of these wheels. Put a Technic pin in it that's long. The color doesn't matter, but black is good because it doesn't turn. Then you're gonna need a bunch of these wheels. Stack this like this. Pin in this. Honestly, you can make this as long as you want, or tall as you want, but I just made it this height. Oh, and this is the 9th and 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. I just made it the day I made this video. Oh, and first video in March. Sorry if you just saw one of my brother's Nerf guns. It's hard to attach parts when you only got one hand to use because you're holding a okay. Then you need 2x2 round plate that's in blue, a 1x1 circle plate. I'd recommend in any type of blue, but black would be good too, or any color, but mostly blue. Because then these 2x2 little mini dome pieces. Okay, now touch this. Then turn it over and take a half Technic pin, half stud piece, and then attach it on the end. Casey,
I'm trying to help.
Casey, oh, thanks. No, other side. And attach it to the side that doesn't have that little part, small wheel. And then here you go. 9th for 10th and 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. Used for many things, like closing doors.
No.
I don't know how to edit, so if I did, I would make it so Casey would be invisible for that part. Hey, Dad. Well, that's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. It goes a long way. And please comment saying what Doctor Who or other things you'd like to see me build in the future. Like say 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver, not the first Doctor though, or the first sonic screwdriver ever. It's boring. I've seen a picture of it. So that's all for this video. If you got, like I said, leave a like. It goes along if you enjoyed. If not, don't leave a like. And please subscribe because I pretty much only have one subscriber. Literally, I mean it. No. Also, comment what else you want to see. So that's the end of this video, guys. Watching green now. Dun 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 dun. What's in green? If you liked this video, check out how to build my Cyberman from Doctor Who.